Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Today is the 10th lesson of A2 level of German language course, and in today's lesson we are going to start a new topic of adjectives. In this lesson we will cover 50 adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are those words through which we can describe the properties or characteristics of someone or something. So if we want to describe the properties or characteristics of someone, the property or characteristic of someone could be that he is intelligent, or he is healthy, he is brave, he is weak. So all these words, weak, brave, intelligent, healthy, are adjectives. Similarly, we can also describe the properties or characteristics of things. Like if we take one thing like book, the book can be interesting, it can be boring, it can be expensive also. So all these words, interesting, boring, expensive, are the adjectives. So let's start today's lesson and see the adjectives that we have selected in the basic forms. What do I mean by basic form is that these adjectives do not have any ending. The ending of adjective depends on two things. First thing is the gender of noun for which we are using this adjective. And second thing, in which case we are using this adjective. So in this lesson, we are going to cover only the basic forms, 50 adjectives in their basic forms. Gross is the first adjective I have selected, which means big. Art mean old. Dunkel, which means dark. Heiß means hot. Teuer means expensive. Weich means soft. Leise means quiet. Gut means good. And now on the right hand side, I have selected the opposite of adjectives. So the opposite of gross is klein, which means small. Opposite of alt is neue, which means new. Opposite of dunkel is hell, which means bright. Opposite of heiß is kalt, which means cold. Opposite of teuer is billig or billig. Both are correct. Billig means cheap. Weich, which means soft, has the opposite hard, which means hard. Laut is the opposite of leise, which means loud. And schlecht is the opposite of good, which means bad. Next, krank, which means ill. Schnell means fast. Voll means full. Reich means rich. Stark means strong. Dünn means thin. Traurig means sad. Sauber means clean. And on the right hand side, now I will show the opposite of adjectives. So the opposite of krank is gesund, and gesund means healthy. Opposite of schnell is langsam. Langsam means slow. Opposite of voll is leer. Leer means empty. Opposite of reich is arm. Arm means poor. Opposite of stark is schwach, which means weak. Opposite of dünn is dick. Dick means thick. Opposite of traurig is glücklich. Glücklich means happy. Opposite of sauber is schmutzig. Schmutzig means dirty. Next we have richtig. Richtig means true or correct or right. Niedrig or niedrig. Niedrig means low. Oben, above. Nass, wet. Viel, many. Satt means full. Schwarz, black. Fleißig, hardworking. Now on the right hand side, I will show you the opposite of these. So the opposite of richtig is falsch. Falsch means false. Opposite of niedrig is hoch. Hoch means high. Opposite of oben is unten. Unten means under. Opposite of nass is trocken. Trocken means dry. Opposite of viel is wenig or wenig, which means less. Opposite of satt is hungrig or hungrig, which means hungry. Opposite of schwarz is weiß. Opposite of fleißig is faul, which means lazy. These are 48 adjectives. So 49th will be bright. Bright means wide, and opposite of bright is schmal. Schmal, and schmal means narrow. So these are the 50 adjectives which one must know until A2 level. In the upcoming videos, we will see how we can compare the properties or characteristics of things and people, and what will be the change in the basic form of adjective, and how will be the sentence structure. And the base of upcoming lessons will be today's lesson, because we have to modify the basic form of adjectives which we have learned in today's lesson. I hope it's clear to you now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.